Want to burn fat and boost your energy? The ketogenic diet combined with the right exercise plan can help you achieve your goals. We're going to break down how the keto diet and exercise work together. You'll learn practical tips to maximize fat burning and get amazing results. Let's dive in. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet. When you eat this way, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Instead of using glucose or sugar from carbs for energy, it starts burning fat. This shift to fat burning is key for weight loss and increased energy levels. Ever feel sluggish during your workouts? Keto can change that. When your body uses fat as fuel, you experience more stable and sustained energy levels. This means you can power through your workouts without hitting the wall. Ready to feel the difference? Let's talk about choosing the right workouts. Not all exercises are created equal, especially on keto. Moderate to low-intensity workouts are ideal when you're first starting. Think brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. These activities burn fat effectively without depleting your energy. Strength training is also important. It helps preserve muscle mass while on a calorie-restricted diet. When is the best time to exercise on keto? This is a question many keto enthusiasts and fitness buffs often ponder. The timing of your workouts can significantly impact your results, especially when you're following a ketogenic diet. Did you know that timing your workouts can optimize fat burning on keto? Yes, the time of day you choose to exercise can make a big difference. For instance, working out in the morning can be particularly beneficial. Working out in the morning, while you're in a fasted state, can be super effective. This is because your body has been fasting overnight, and it has already started to tap into its fat stores for energy. Morning workouts can help you burn more fat. Why? Because your body has already tapped into its fat stores for energy overnight. When you exercise in the morning, you continue to burn fat more efficiently. This is especially true if you engage in aerobic exercises like jogging, cycling, or even a brisk walk. Aim for shorter, more intense workouts around 30 to 45 minutes to maximize the benefits. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is particularly effective. These workouts involve short bursts of intense activity followed by brief periods of rest. They can help you burn more calories in less time and improve your overall fitness. Another great time to exercise on keto is in the late afternoon or early evening. By this time, your body has had a chance to digest your meals, and you have more energy to put into your workout. This can be a good time for strength training or resistance exercises. Strength training in the afternoon or evening can help you build muscle and improve your metabolism. Plus, it can be a great way to relieve stress after a long day. Remember, the key is to find a time that works best for you and fits into your schedule. No matter when you choose to exercise, make sure to stay hydrated and fuel your body with the right nutrients. A post-workout meal or snack that includes protein and healthy fats can help you recover and build muscle. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. In conclusion, the best time to exercise on keto depends on your personal preferences and lifestyle. Whether you prefer morning workouts to kickstart your day or evening sessions to unwind, the most important thing is to stay consistent and enjoy the process. Happy exercising? Fueling your keto workouts, pre- and post-exercise nutrition. In this section, we will delve into the importance of what you consume before and after your workouts, especially when following a ketogenic diet. Proper nutrition can significantly impact your performance, recovery, and overall results. What you eat around your workouts matters. The timing and composition of your meals can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. Eating the right foods can help you maintain energy levels, improve endurance, and enhance muscle recovery. Focus on high-protein, low-carb meals and snacks. These types of foods will help you stay in ketosis while providing the necessary nutrients to fuel your workouts. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while low-carb options help maintain your energy levels without spiking your blood sugar. Before your workout, a small serving of full-fat yogurt can be an excellent choice. Full-fat yogurt provides a good balance of protein and fat, which can help sustain your energy levels throughout your exercise session. It's also easy to digest, making it a convenient pre-workout snack. Alternatively, a handful of nuts can provide sustained energy. Nuts are rich in healthy fats and protein, making them a perfect snack to keep you fueled. They are also portable and easy to eat on the go, which is ideal for those with busy schedules. Afterward, replenish your muscles with a protein shake. Post-workout nutrition is crucial for recovery, and a protein shake can help you quickly get the nutrients your body needs. Look for shakes that are low in carbs but high in protein to stay in line with your keto diet. or a meal rich in healthy fats and protein. Foods like salmon and avocado are excellent choices because they provide high-quality protein and healthy fats, which are essential for muscle repair and overall health. Consider adding MCT oil to your diet. MCT oil is a type of fat that is quickly converted into ketones, providing your body with an immediate source of energy. It's especially beneficial for those on a ketogenic diet because it helps maintain ketosis while giving you a quick energy boost. MCT oil is a type of fat that is quickly converted into ketones, which are an alternative fuel source for your body. This can be particularly useful during workouts, as it provides a steady stream of energy without the crash that can come from high-carb foods, providing your body with an immediate source of energy. Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts find that incorporating MCT oil into their diet helps them perform better and recover faster. It's a simple addition that can make a big difference in your overall fitness journey. Remember, the key to successful pre- and post-exercise nutrition is planning and consistency. By choosing the right foods and timing your meals appropriately, you can maximize your performance and recovery, helping you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Meal prepping can be a great way to ensure you have the right foods available when you need them. Spend some time each week preparing your meals and snacks so you don't have to make last-minute decisions that could derail your diet. Tracking your nutrition can also be beneficial. Use a fitness app or a journal to log what you eat and how you feel during your workouts. This can help you identify what works best for your body and make any necessary adjustments to your diet. Finally, don't be afraid to seek advice from professionals. Nutritionists, dietitians, and fitness trainers can provide valuable insights and personalized recommendations to help you optimize your pre- and post-exercise nutrition. With the right approach to nutrition, you can fuel your workouts, enhance your performance, and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, what you eat matters, so make informed choices and stay consistent. Your body will thank you for it. Stay committed, stay focused, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, fitter you. The importance of electrolytes on a keto diet. When you're on keto, your body flushes out electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These electrolytes are essential for muscle function, hydration, and overall well-being. Make sure you're replenishing them. You can do this by consuming electrolyte-rich foods like avocados, leafy greens, and bone broth. You can also supplement with electrolyte powders or tablets. Combining keto and exercise, a powerful combination. Combining keto with exercise is a recipe for success. You'll experience faster fat burning, sustained energy levels, and improved overall health. It's a sustainable approach to weight loss that doesn't leave you feeling deprived or fatigued. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your keto meal plan, stay hydrated, replenish those electrolytes, and get moving. Take charge of your fitness journey today. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, fitter you? It's time to take control and make a commitment to your well-being. Ready to unlock your fat-burning potential? The journey to fitness is not just about losing weight. It's about gaining strength, confidence, and a sense of accomplishment. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or cycling, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Start by incorporating the tips we've discussed. Nutrition plays a crucial role in your fitness journey. Preparing healthy meals and keeping track of your progress in a fitness journal can make a significant difference. Stretching before workouts helps prevent injuries and improves flexibility. Experiment with different workout routines and find what works best for you. From trying out various gym equipment to joining group fitness classes or practicing yoga in a serene environment, there's something for everyone. The key is to stay consistent and enjoy the process. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Your journey can inspire others. Whether you're typing on your laptop or using your mobile phone, take a moment to connect with our community. Your feedback and stories are valuable. Let us know what keto and exercise strategies have worked for you. Sharing your favorite keto-friendly meals or your home gym setup can provide great insights for others. Your journey is unique, and your tips can help someone else succeed. And if you're looking for high-quality MCT oil to support your keto journey, check out the link in the description below. MCT oil can be a great addition to your diet, providing you with the energy you need to power through your workouts. Shopping for the right supplements can make a big difference in your overall progress. Remember, the journey to fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long run. Celebrate your small victories along the way and don't be too hard on yourself if you face setbacks. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier you. So, lace up those shoes, grab your yoga mat, and let's get started on this incredible journey together. Your future self will thank you.